We're going to go hang out with Cole while he's working, and we're going to sneeze on him. Let's see what he does.
It's not bad. What the hell, babe? That's fucking disgusting. Ah, God. There's a lot I can tolerate, babe. You sneezed on me. Oh, babe. You don't understand. I'm getting lightheaded. Give me some hand sanitizer. I need to wipe my whole body down. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my God, babe. Oh, no. Wipe it all off of me. Now, all of it. Wipe it off. Babe, I can't believe you did that. I honestly, I am shocked. Love you.
Chill!
I'm fucking done, dude. I knew it was a little too wet. Babe, I'm not even gonna lie. You got me heated. I'm okay now with this water. I'm good. Love you too, babe. Bye.